How to add work address in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Maps. So I will simply click on Maps app. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click here you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing, offline maps, add your business. Also you guys will see settings. So simply click on settings. Here you guys will see edit home our work. So simply click on that. Here you guys will see home work. So simply click on work. Here you will simply search for your work address. So I will simply search for that. After searching for your work address, simply click on save. Once you click on save, you need to wait for some second, and that's it. Your work address will be saved to Google Maps. Thanks for watching.